Have you ever wondered who actually owns the assets you rent or lease? Let us break down the role of a lessor. A lessor is simply the party who owns an asset and grants another person or business the right to use it for a set time. Crucially, the lessor keeps legal ownership of the property for the entire duration of the agreement, even while you are using it. Lessors are responsible for keeping the asset in good shape and ensuring the terms of the lease agreement are followed by the user. The easiest way to remember the difference is that the lessor gives the right to use, while the lessee receives it. Lessors typically structure payments as fixed installments, providing them with a predictable stream of income over the life of the contract. Think of the lessor as the provider of access and the lessee as the user who compensates them for that privilege. Understanding these roles helps you navigate rental and lease agreements more confidently. Check back soon for more simple money definitions.